What up, people? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to install a phone mount from Modifry, and I'll put a link in the description. So this is okay. So what we have to do is pop this dash off a little bit. Think I have to pry this and believe there's two screws underneath, and when that comes off, we can pop this out, and there is a screw back here where we can screw this plate in right here, and it will sit like that, so it's kind of facing the driver's side. And I have this piece here that's attached to this, and then I can just put my RAM phone mount in there or whatever, it's universal, so we can put whatever. I also have this cushion here. I don't know how to install this. Is it like this? It's like a vibration. All right. This pick here, so I can pry the two. Two pin up here. Maybe one of these, and also a short screwdriver, because it's down here and short. So, alright, I'm gonna try this first. This pointy thingy. Let's see if I can pry it out. Damn, there's no lighting here, yo. And I'll show you in a little bit. There's a certain angle. Alright. Now there's two screws in there. Alright. So now we're gonna pop this out a little bit, and there is a screw back here. Alright, you see this little screw right here? Oh, look at that. You see how much poking out that is? I literally had to make sure it's flush. So, and even then, it's still not gonna be perfect. It's good though. That's how it looks, and yeah.